The start of a new year often brings with it a desire to adopt smart money habits and improve one's financial situation. The United States has experienced 10 years of economic growth, but minorities are not benefiting from it. To help address a persistent wealth gap, Carlos Garcia created Finhabits, a first-of-its-kind bilingual mobile app that helps make investing a habit. And Carlos is joining us now. So first off, what are some of the challenges that minorities may face when it comes to planning for retirement?
Hi, great to be here. There are two challenges that I see that minorities face in terms of compounding wealth over time. One is lack of access to high quality financial services. And second is lack of better financial habits. When it comes to financial habits, I remember in growing up, for example, in my house, we didn't really talk about how to compound wealth over time. And I believe this is one of the reasons why it's important to insist in creating better financial habits with minorities.
And so where did the idea come from to create Finhabits?
The idea of Finhabits came from a personal story. Growing up in the border town in Texas, I had the chance to go to MIT for my college degree, and then I had my first job at Merrill Lynch in a large financial company. And when they were offering me the 401k, I didn't take advantage of it. And it was until a few years later when I realized that I had missed a huge opportunity. And I thought about that experience, and I said, this is not just happening to me, this is happening to a lot of people. And that's when Finhabits started. I said, I wanted to create a service that was simple and it was inclusive of everyone who wanted to save for retirement. They could do it through an app, and they could do it in under 7 minutes.
And so talk about how this app works.
The app is very easy. You first download the app. Second, you will select your goal. And third, you will decide how much you want to contribute. And you can start with as little as $20 a week. The rest, we take care of it. It's an automated investing service. But it's not just that. The most important part is that we want you to develop better financial habits. So you can learn how compound interest works, but we will also give you an opportunity to learn, for example, how to improve your credit score.
Where is this money actually going? Is it kind of similar to almost a savings account? Talk about that.
Finhabits is an investment service. When you're investing the money in the Finhabits account, it's going to go into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. ETFs are index funds. And when you're investing with Finhabits, you're investing in ETFs that are investing in US stocks, international stocks, US corporate bonds, international corporate bonds, government bonds. So it's a diversified portfolio. The ETFs that we use are ETFs from Vanguard, from BlackRock, and from Goldman Sachs.
And so how important is it that this app be bilingual?
When we designed the app, we wanted to make sure that it was inclusive of everyone in this country, and we realized that there was a huge gap in access due to the language. So we wanted to make sure that Latinos had access to the app, and that's why we created the service in Spanish. And today, about approximately half of our users are using the service in Spanish, and that helps create a better relationship and a better understanding of how the service works.
And finally, Carlos, where can viewers go for more information if they are interested in learning more about this app?
If you haven't started investing or saving for your retirement, you should start now. You can download the app in Google Play or in the App Store, and it takes about 7 minutes. Or you can go to finhabits.com and learn more about our company.
Fantastic. Carlos, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.